हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल डॉक्टर्स इन डार्क। और आज हम जानेंगे सेकंड ईयर एमबीबीएस इम्पोर्टेंट बुक्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सेकंड ईयर एमबीबीएस इम्पोर्टेंट बुक्स फॉर फार्मेकोलॉजी इज केडी त्रिपाठी is a standard book and useful for the students. The easy book for the average student is the Shanbag book. It is a very important book and very easy book for conceptual learning. अभी जानते हैं इम्पोर्टेंट बुक फॉर द इम्पोर्टेंट बुक फॉर द पैथोलॉजी एंड द रोबिन्स आर द स्टैंडर्ड बुक फॉर द पैथोलॉजी एंड for average students. Hirschman is an important book. It is a very good book by an Indian author, so please go through it. And the last time good scoring book or average student book is a very easy book is Ramdas Nayak. Now the microbiology important book, the important book is Purva Shastri book. It is a very useful book for the students, best book for microbiology. And the other option for the microbiology is Anant Narayan and Panini. It is a very important book for the microbiology. Now some extra about video is going through the review book for the students who are preparation for the NEET PG, and conceptual book for the review book. We are seeing the book like a go through the MCQs, and books useful for the subjects are review book for pharmacology, microbiology and pathology.